So, nag-try kaming tumingin dito sa mga gown to start with our preparation for Dex's 7th birthday.
I'm looking for my birthday because we need multicolored, or else we have to go to the nutty culture that has dresses. We need something multicolored like purple, blue, and pink because like my birthday theme is Candyland.
Candyland. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
So, nag-enjoy yung mga bata. Ang cute naman kasi yan. Yeah. Yun lang, parang hindi masyadong ano to sa mga bata. Wala silang masyado for kids. Yeah, that's so nice too. Dito na tayo titingin pag ikaw nag-debut, Dexy. Yeah.
This would look so cute for like photo shoots.
I know, yeah.
Oh, this one.
Okay.
I know where this purple. And this blue too.
So, start na kami ng preparation ng birthday ng dalawa.
Oh, we waiting our birthday on the hotel.
Let's see, bebe. Let's try to negotiate, okay?
You're gonna drop in here and then you're gonna look
Yeah.
for a park.
Yeah.
I'm gonna park here.
Ask natin kung saan ka pwede mag-park. Yan.
So excited.
Okay. Yeah, so mag-i-inquire tayo. Inquire tayo doon. So, ito yung lobby niya. So, ganito din siya. I don't know kung dito yung sa kainan. Ito, may washroom din siya dyan. And then, ito yung room na inassign. Nalak ata yung mga bata. So, ganito yung area. So, maganda talaga yung dito yung gagawin yung mga dance, palaro, ganun. Tapos lalagyan ata yan ng stage eh. Yan. So, ang sabi lang naman sa akin, wala daw cover yung chair. Nakita niyo naman sa email. So, we're looking around. Ang ganda din ng ceiling niya. Right? Yeah. Ito naman sa Radisson. So, ganito naman ang kanilang lobby. Ayan ang kanilang lobby, Dexy. They have the lobby. Yeah, yeah.
Wherever you want, you can play to stay where you are. And if you're with your family friends or with your family, play.
Ano nangyari sa'yo, Dexa? Ayan, so ganito naman tong Radisson naman na to. Hindi mo lang inilawan to, Dad. Kaya ito, ganyan ang ilaw niya. So, parang maliwanag din siya, eh, no? So, ito, may stage. I think kapag gusto mong i-extend, ito siya. So, ito kasama ata lahat na eh. Parang kasama ata to, yung space na to. I don't know. Yan naman ang kanya. Ah? What? Nag-ice cream na, hindi na nakahintay. So, ayan guys, just sharing to you na dito naming kinuha yung gown dito sa Elegance Maison. So, ito ay isang shop dito sa Horizon Mall. Okay, it's time for opening Dex's outfit from Philippines to Vancouver to Calgary. So, pina-UPS na lang ni ate. Okay, I'm so excited with that, girls. Say thank you. Ito, gift niya na sa'yo, Dexa. And thank you to Tita Amy too.
You broke my thing. What? See? You broke it.
Okay.
See that?
Wow! Yeah. Dexa, that's too loud.
Oh my God, my favorite!
Sobra naman ba?
Ang dami, dami. Ay, guys, biscuits. I love these. I was even talking about this just earlier.
Ano ba yan? Marami to.
Marami daw, marami.
Oh my God.
Okay, show them what's this.
The chocolate stick.
Yeah, they bought you something like
Merengue.
this. Oh my God. Ayan, oh. Mga chumpy. Show tita. Say thank you, girls.
Thank you. Thank you. You're the best. Thank you. A hug. Mwah, mwah. Thank you.
Nag-show pa, nag-show pa.
Ano yung tuyo yan ata?
Bye. What's that?
Yeah, dried fish. That's dried fish. So, smell pa lang, it's tuyo. Tuyo, it's tuyo.
Tuyo.
Alam na ni Dexa. You can open it. Si Dexa. Kasi amoy. Ang OA. Merengue. They love the merengue. So, pinadalhan ako ng 4. And then we have Pusit Special. Wow. What? Philippines.
Oh, the consistency is something else, really.
Or yummy?
It's like boy.
But I don't like the flavor of it.
Yeah.
The flavor of it is not as vanilla as I wished it be.
Oh.
It has this cardboard taste, which I don't like.
Oh. Okay.
No, it tastes really good.
Oh, good now. Gusto daw ni Dexa. It's okay.
I just like it.
Pusit regular. Yeah.
It's different from the ones I usually
Oh, yun lang siguro. Ito din, masarap din yan. Eh, oh.
What do you
Baker Special, paborito.
Those three, last one.
Yeah, don't eat too much sugar kasi gabi na.
Siyang kami ng ganun.
Sweet corn. We have cheese ring. Kinap. Yan, they have sticks. Yeah. Mga wafer. Hello. Ang sarap niyang hello na yan, Dexy. Yeah, ito yung gusto ng mga bata din, oh.
Ito yung favorite ko. Ice jam, ano yan?
What
Yeah,
does this taste
this one
like?
too.
And this?
Ice
And
jam
this,
biscuits.
And this,
Ah, wow, that's so nice.
and a coffee mate.
Yeah.
Alexa, look at this dress. You want to try it on?
Wow. Okay, here. Ayaw mo lang si ate, ah. Wow, ang cute.
Wait, can you take picture?
Yeah, just give a second first. Just give a second. Wow. Okay, hold. Oh, maganda kasi may ganito siya.
So we'll stay up.
Oh yeah, so we'll stay it up para pabalon siya. I think that one is for the head.
Okay, ito ko lang ito kasi
Oh, that's a
yung
headband.
back, right?
Yeah.
So we keep it for a sec. Dexa, one sec.
Let's go to the second dress. So, dalawa in order namin sa Pinas. So, yun nga. Thank you, ate, for giving this gift for
Thank you, you
Dexa.
saved my life. You almost couldn't have the birthday without those dresses. You saved my life. You're the best ninangs in the world.
Tita. You're the
I
best.
mean tita. Best tita in the world. Hug. Mwah, mwah. You're the best for saving my whole entire life for my birthday party.
That's That's
You
so cute.
definitely, if you go to, you could go. Yeah, you could go to Canada, and if you want to go to my birthday, go to Canada and go to my birthday.
Ah, how we wish, bebe. Parang ito ata yung ano niya, dapat.
Thank you, you saved my life. You're the best
Tita. Kakatuwa. And then the snacks daw, ito na, oh. Gabi na dito, oh. 9:30 na ng gabi. Yan. Gusto pa nilang kumain. Sabi ko, bukas na kasi gabi na. Yeah.
Especially these. I was talking about these.
Yeah. They
And then
love
now I
this
have
one.
some.
These ice gem biscuits. So, we will try the other one.
Dexa, come here. Try the other dress.
Try the other one. Dexa, let's try the other dress.
Stand on her own. Yung mga dresses ni Dexa.
Okay, that's nice.
That's yours.
Okay.
Wow. Ganda. Tayo nagkamali. Shout out din kami kay Jendy, official photographer namin. Siya yung nag-recommend sa atin.
Mama, I want to wear this dress first before I change to the butterfly.
Yes.
Mostly the babies come in first and then they might start picking on the butterflies.
Maybe.
And then, because like one baby might come first and then they said, oh, first playmate is he. I don't know if it's a birthday girl and then they'll start picking on the butterflies.
Oh, yeah. Maybe.
The baby.
Ganda din pala niya talaga. And then, ayusin lang ni ate.
But that didn't fell off.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Ate will find accessories. Okay, the other side. Yung second niya. Pero ang ganda din ng bagsak nito, anak, no? Yeah. Ang kabila lang.
Stop. Here in the back.
Here din sa kabila din.
Wag lang ang fit mo. Oh!
Ayan.
Disco na!
Whoa.
Uj. Nangyari sa inyo.
Kailan mo practice tayo? Maghanap tayo ng steps na.
Okay.
And then with me.
Wow. Okay.
Disco na.
Okay na. Ito pala yung main entrance niya, Dixie. Ayan pala ang main entrance nito. So, let's go inside. West entrance pala to. Ayan, daan muna kami dito bago kami mag-circus. Oh. Okay, sorry. Here. Oh, I see. Ah? Oo nga. Elegance Maison. Yan. Yan ang pangalan kung saan namin binili yung aming gown. Simple gown lang yung binili namin. Si Dexa naman ang talagang main celebrant. Yan. Kunin lang dyan na siguro. Ay, sorry. Yeah. Ay, hi! Yeah, good. Ayan. So, it's time for us to meet the coordinator at saka yung hotel manager na mag-a-assist sa amin. I think that one is closed. Sa kabila siguro tayo. Ah? Front doors lang. Dito na lang kami pumunta sa harapan. Ito yan. Best Western. Ang gulo ni Dexa. Dexa, it's cold! Ayan, ang harapan din niya. Ganda din eh, no? May mostly dito papasok yung gas natin eh. Dexa! Daddy! Dito na kami ni Daddy. Okay, let's go. Let's ask. Dexa! Hey! Come on! Careful! O yan, dito yung kanilang Bob Plaza 1 to 5 sila. Talang kaya yan. Okay, I will ask kung saan yung kausap natin. Ayan, done! Done na tayo. So, hindi na ako nakakuha ng clips. Ayan, pero yun nga, kain lang muna kami sa Jollibee with the coordinator. Kapag-usap pa ng konti. Hi, girls!
Hi.
Nandito lang naman yun. Ayan, Jollibee here in Calgary. Ayan.
Dixie.
Oh yeah, Mom. Can we stop by Winners later? I need like an organizer.
Okay, yeah.
They actually need it. That one's white.
The other one. Here.
It matches my rims. That's good.
Okay, yeah.
Another pink. That's
And cute. Yeah.
You should buy more rings. I like the pink boxes. Oh.
Everything is yours. It's yours. Oh, that one. Thank you. Ooh.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Ito ang kanilang store.
What you got?
Done with the jewelry. Nakasingit si Dexa ng laruan niya.
Dexa.
Ayan, namili kami ng pillows. Careful. Ayan siya, oh. Isang araw niya lang laruin to. Okay. Tapos ng aming jewelry hunting. We're done. Yeah. So, dito namin binili yung shoes. Saan ba to? What? Call it spring. Okay, put it there na. Kapila na si Daddy. Wow, Cinderella shoes. Pareho pa kami ni Dexy. Okay na yan. Yan. Dito yan sa here. Yeah.
Are you scared?
And excited.
Scared and excited, eh?
And I'm just gonna put the bag.
It's so cute.
It was just like pinching one. That's just like a shot.
Look that way.
Yeah.
Yes, let's clean it first. I'll show you more how to clean it. So, you want to see?
Yeah.
You want to see? How cute is that? They're sparkly. You like them? Okay, now what color lollipop you want? If you want two, I can give you two.
Wanna grab them for my sister?
Yeah?
Yeah, like
Two pinks? There you go. Such a cutie. They all good. Yeah, because you have your
Sorry, no worries. Ah.
Good luck,
Hey, good
Lexi.
luck, Dexy.
They did this. They did this.
Did it hurt? Did you cry?
No, they just it was for 1 second. They did this and then they.
Ano daw? Bakit daw nag-clog?
Nag-clog na kasi hindi nga siya nagsusuot ng earrings. And then, the earrings na nilalagay natin sa kanya, it's too, ano pa, still lang. Dapat totoo. Para nag-stay.
I see the whiteness.
Wow, okay. Let's wait.
Mommy,
What?
what happened?
Ayan, that's for Apple. Ayan.
Hey, God.
Buong pamilya dito. Yan. Yan, nagpaganda si Dexy. Dexa! Happy yan. Happy yarn. Happy yarn. Hello. Dexy. Who are you? Who are you, Dad? I don't know you. Ayan na si ate.
all done. We're gonna go take a picture of my
Wow. Cute.
just like the picture, eh?
Hey, Dexy. Dexy. Desire? Is that you, Desire? You're Desire now? Not Dexy?